Hello everybody, good evening, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are going to be looking at Nvts stock. Now this one, as of Friday, was down by 6.21%. We're going to be speaking about this and a lot more over the course of tonight's video. If it sounds good, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as I do try and make as much content for you guys as I can every single day. At the same time, do remember, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, so make sure you are doing your own research. Now jumping straight in, well, a few things standing out to me immediately with the trend on this stock. As I say, we were down by 6% just over on Friday. However, as you can see, the lows that we saw on Friday were significantly lower than where we actually saw the stock finish. Now, we have notable levels of support at a number of points here. You are seeing numbers such as 1412, 1410 holding up as major supports. We saw this on Wednesday of last week, and we saw this on the Friday. Just above that, we have stronger consolidation points such as 1430, 1435. These are also holding very, very nicely. We want to see this as a potential bottom with this stock going forwards into next week. You guys will know how much this stock is up over the past few months. Let's zoom out a little bit, right? You can really see this in context. So what matters now is that level of consolidation. We need to find a new floor for this stock for the potential next push. And honestly, in my head numbers, as I say, such as 1430, 1425, maybe even 1420, are looking strong. We've seen this into last week, and again, we want to see this going to continue into next week. Now, again, if you drop below that, 1262 could potentially stand out as a level to watch out for, as could 1250. Now, in terms of upside potential, you're looking to break numbers such as 1510, 1515, 1520, and 1530, and then you could be potentially looking at pushes all the way up to $16 from there. That would be a very interesting point, which may come with some major resistance, so do be prepared. But again, that could easily see us push onto $17 and beyond. So at the moment, guys, it is going to depend on whether we can hold the support. I am hoping that we can, but again, that is my main objective and my main thing to look forward to into next week. I'd love to hear your personal thoughts and opinions. Thank you for your time, guys, and goodbye for now.